In this match, I'll show you guys how KRX इस पोजीशन से चिकन डिनर निकालती है, and this was an insane last circle, and I'll show you how KRX सिचुएशन तक पहुंची कैसे. I'll show you this fight, and it was really intense. I cannot give the audio क्योंकि copyright वगैरह का issue may be, so I won't make you guys listen to the audio. You can see right here, FL push कर रही है KRX पे, and just as this guy pulled up, he instantly knew कि भाई गलती कर दी है, क्योंकि you can see right here, they are all focused on this guy, but you can also spot this guy क्योंकि ridge glitch है. So जैसे ही यहाँ पे रुकता है, you can see how much open space he has to deal with. So instantly he goes back, but too late. इतने में KRX convert भी कर देती है. You can see right here, this guy is looking at them, and QXC वहाँ से भी spot हो जाता है, and he gets shot at from, you can see NS का human. And now KRX pull कर देती है on the hill. And now one by one FL mistakes करती जा रही है, and KRX easily hold कर रही है full edge. So now they know यहाँ पे तो पूरा cover है इन पे, and जो यहाँ की टीम है the compound FL, वो भी 2 man है. So even if FL pushing on them, क्योंकि सबसे closest team है, so they can easily hold them और मार भी सकते हैं. So it was no issue for them. And now here 7 EB one में spot हो जाती है, and Beanie takes one guy down. You can see right here. Now just here you can see 7E का ये बंदा डाउन कर देता है KRX के एम्बर को, and so obviously एक मैन already down था, and this was the second knock from KRX. If KRX had in कि वहाँ पे एक ही बंदा है, तो they would have pushed, और क्या पता वहाँ पे 2 हो, अगर उन्हें किल फीड का पता ना हो. So now AG को पता है यहाँ पे फाइट हुई है, so obviously they will come for the third party क्योंकि they were on the disadvantage of the zone. AG was holding right here, and now they came for this compound. But AG क्या mistake करती है? AG ignores the third party. You can see right here, AG को idea होना चाहिए था कि on the higher ridge there is also a team, which was KRX, and 7E का एक बंदा भी यहाँ पे है. AG had proper idea कि ऊपर 2 teams है, but they were not, properly prepared for the fight, you can say. And here you can see 7E के एक बंदे ने knock दे दिया, and AG fully focused हो गया on one fight. So without using any utils, AG within seconds wipe हो जाती है क्योंकि KRX is placed too good. And here one by one they also pick up 7E का बंदा भी and clean out. And now I'll show you the last fight. Here you can see KRX is said है and NS zone के बाहर हो चुकी है. So obviously the most sensible decision for NS is to push this compound, क्योंकि this is the closest hardest compound to them, and that is also the center of the compound, so it makes sense to push it. And here you can see NS push कर देती है, and they don't go for inside of the petrol pump. You can see there a guy is there, पहला smoke उधर एंगल ब्लॉक के लिए, and second smoke on this side KRX का एंगल ब्लॉक करने के लिए. So now it was a gamble, क्योंकि अगर HLX commit कर देती है to kill them, then NS survive नहीं करती, but HLX भी vulnerable हो जाती to KRX, क्योंकि KRX नहीं छोड़ती if anyone aim in the open. And now here I'll show you the last fight. See, KRX isn't pushing, you can see clearly, nothing slamming, just using the smokes and maintaining the distance, which is important, क्योंकि अगर एक सिंगल नेड आता है, all 4 of them will get wiped. And now you can see NS भी 4 मैन है, HLX भी 4 मैन है, KRX भी 4 मैन है. And here जैसे ही जोन छोटा छोटा होता है, you can see TZ खुद के नीड से ही फट जाता है. You think okay, that was very unfortunate. You can see right here, बॉक्स से गिर के वापस आ गया नीड एंड बूम. So this was very unfortunate. क्या हो गया, TZ कंफ्यूज हो गया होगा. And now you can see जोन पूरा एंड होने वाला है, and KRX is very properly holding of the grenades. HLX को बाहर आना था, you can see they had to come out of here. You can say difficult क्योंकि teams जो है they were mainly focused on killing HLX first. HLX एक तरह से sandwich हो चुकी थी and they knew it, and here the 1v1 you can see how well fought KRX this fight, and they clearly took the chicken dinner, which was really great. So you can learn small details from these guys, key how you time your zone and your decision to perfection. These team take decision, to the perfect level. They make the best possible outcome decisions, not random go with the flow decisions.